This is your main ADA console where you can set up and configure your archiving policy. This is your deduplication domain. We have to create all these configuration to work ADA for the archiving. So here we have created two deduplication domain. One is for your nearline storage and one is for your tape drives. So based on the duplication, it works accordingly on your both the locations. This is my archiving location where uh, I'll apply the policy. This is archiving location for the machine where we have installed the ADA agents. These are the policy we can assign for that particular machine to archive accordingly based on this policy. So next one is the retention. We have to set the retention period for both the location. One is for nearline and then you for tape. On nearline we can set the retention according to our storage size, and for tape this could be unlimited. So no need to delete the data from the tape. This could be your unlimited retention. Next would be for our storage manager. We have to configure the storage manager where my data will go. Let's say for the nearline storage we have to assign a one-to-one storage type, so which means one disk to another disk, and this is the same kind of volume, so we say it one-to-one storage. So here we can select both this deduplication domain, and under that we can create we have to create the storage container also, so which will locate the your volume location where your data archive data will go. So here we have selected this ADA one-to-one folder where it is going the archive data. So after that we have to create a storage manager for archiving on tape. So based on that we have created a storage manager. Under that we have taken a type of this storage manager is time navigator. So under that we have to give the time navigator information. So this is the information we can select. Under that also we will create a storage container, so which will locate me uh, what are the deduplication domain and where my data will go. This is the time navigator information which can be selected here. After that we have to create a policy, which policy you want to create for your archi archiving jobs. So here we can take some, we can give this policy name, so that based on that we can put all these configuration on this policy. So here it is showing me both the archiving location as a storage container. After that, project archives. This is nothing but a archive project in which we have collectively selected all the information, and based on those information it is archiving. So we can see all this information here we have selected. So this way each and every option is linking with each other. So once this all the configuration part is done, we can assign the task. Under this task uh, path we can create a task for automatic archiving. We can give the name of to those tasks. We can select the platform where the policy is defined. We can choose the destination where my archive will go, and these are the settings we have to select. Under that it is again showing you all the policies, the settings which we have created, and we can set according to our requirement. So here, uh, this is the scheduling tab. You can schedule according to your choice when you want to archive this for the file system. That can be archived automatically on the given time frame. So this way, once it is done, you can run those uh, tasks to archive just by running this command. So job will be run automatically. So doing this way, I can see what job is running. Once I press that, this archiving will be running here, and we can see, we can monitor those jobs, what data is getting right on the tapes. That job will be run here also. So once that job is run, we can see the data is onto tape. So since the data was already archived, it has not run any job just because of the deduplication. If I write some data here in my folder, let's say if I copy some data on uh, from anywhere, let's say if I copy uh, these files to your data location where you are from, the location where you want to data. The moment you are having a new data in that and you are running the policy, so it will run the policy, run the archiving job. You can see the job will be running here. It is showing it's running, and at the same time you can see the same job is running onto your tape library. So this way this job is running, has run, and we can, and using this command we can see the which file is there in the tape library. This is the command where we, using this we can see what all the files is there in the directory. So this shows us all these files are there in the tape. So based on that we can see what all the files is archived into my tapes. So and this is my user console. So just dragging and drop will mean the archiving from your local machine to your tape drives. So I'm just dragging and dropping here onto archive. This is your archived location and this is your local file system machine. I just dragged and dropped and will apply the changes here. So we'll see what all the job is going to run based on this drag and drop. So this archiving job is automatically running in the background, you can see here. So this will be also uh, running here for tapes. So this way we can see these drag and dropping can also do the archive for users. So this is as simple as you are dragging your files and putting somewhere, and at the same time it's archiving in the background also. Here we can see it was a 54.45 and here the job is completed. So that's it. This is the as user friendly as any user can drag and drop, or he can do the archiving.